Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to add Internet Explorer desktop icon in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So as if you want to add Internet Explorer desktop icon in Windows 10 PC or laptop, very easy. First click on start. Now scroll down. After click on window, search. After click on Internet Explorer, right click on more, open file location, right click, send to desktop. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to add Internet Explorer desktop icon in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.